na yenwangum na yemfa Ayarigated Sports so ento aso ema o ewo 106.3 FM enuti yebema ye mental kasa na fi abowuram na yetimi akọ yen eni mental why ready enko enim.
Fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, this is Hassan Ayariga. Keep listening. Ayarigated Sports. It's real sports. Best for you, good for you.
Best for you, good for you. Acrobat na say den.
Well. Please, Ayarigated Sports. A perfect program.
Okay.
Perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Ayarigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Ayarigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Safo.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Safo mami.
Order for me in the CC chum. That they be amity Ayarigated Sports. There's no day minty Ayarigated because mity manage na me stress
Right, man.
Yeah. Boy. You're listening to Ayarigated Sports. Minimos, Ayarigated Sotos, Ayarigated Sports. Achisa. Boy.
Mami akwaba.
Kwakumejo so.
Ona no muti sen.
Kwakunyame adom me ho ya na wo so e.
Adom ya ni kukram kakra.
Adom ni ahweye.
Ai no ande de namwa.
Grace and experience. Na yedi na mu sa.
Ayo. Ahweye experience.
Ahweye. Carefulness.
Being careful.
Oh, but in that context, experience can fit into it.
Ahweye experience.
Yeah, you can. No.
Oh, yeah, ahweye. Oh, show who ya experience.
For you fan direct.
Direct. How can you say ahweye experience?
As a context in my shit na.
No. What okay? Experience. Wait, teacher. Experience.
Me teacher. You radio presenter.
Okay, what did teacher pay? What check classroom one there. You can't experience that. You can't say
oh, but
that's the way. But experience is swahun. What you say? Adia. What's fashion?
Actually, ni swahun nti. Normally, you can say experience and integrate. And
it's experience the grace no. Run what trim sa pepe men fa ba bi de enko she ba bi de
yes swahun ni ayi swahun ni adom nti enko
da bi enti o se adom ni ahwe yi enti me ho ye enti adom ni ahwe yi enti ho ye de a eni o de kobrofum de a it is the grace and carefulness but enye grace and
the word carefulness doesn't sound ye
enti sound ye na de sound ye no so doesn't mean the ocean no so
we dey won tell you pa grace and carefulness yan kan say you can grace and experience.
Okay, if great and grace, if grace and experience if grace and experience there fakotwim pepepe ne ka no adom ne eden.
No, we are not doing transliteration. We have what you are talking about is what we call transliteration. It's where you want to take the one language and then just place it directly. It doesn't work like that. It's not always the case. You are talking with a linguist until the family understand.
Bra linguist. Oh, sorry, boss. Akwaba, Okumankra. She said the way you might decide for the and if we do it, one channel. But what free banner? I'm a car. Now, sound in my moon number from what sorry, John. Sorry, John. Now, why he help me? Ah, Okumankra. That day, Pepe. Which one would difference be? Now ready there. Okay, come on to me. You can't trick nature. Apostle, we never jam. We never jam. Na self focus and cry. I'm a band. Come on, na didi. Yes, so come. Na didi didi. Me 2 minutes dia na. Come be come. Na do me for your needs. Mrs. Parker. This I had done work. And get done small boys. And get actually da. Me David. Hungry in sleeping. What be your da? What that commando? Nti bi dia ade asa tell me come na me o about 10,000 o'clock krampo a na come aduane wo ha medi enye tam na me didi me de me yam na didi nti so 2 taps na makoka ho amose na matete edi na makoda ni wu anya dia mesan ba biem
two din preko
kwaku pa na ni dia no jo dey man he come see fufu there after 6 years ni fufu ye dia no after 6 na ya wo fufu ni ko di dia
na na nso wan won ntem
se ni enyi ni yankasa cheta mo ebedi dio first if you do any ready ko fan we ba
o ba first no so na your parents almost 7 years
as wo parents me ma me ti ko fumba about 6:30
oh ade be
we unim dia wakeka
because
kwaku ye wafuo bi
e say ye sua no ye mi
kwafu mo che no mtimi ye aduane wafu
e wafuo no mo adidi ansa wa
kwaku ma me kasa mcho ye afuo bi wo
me grandfather no e farmer kese pa na fuo mu na akra no omo enu aduane
wo de grandfather na ya farmer
eyiye ko
me ya farmer na ngasa me ma me ne ko wo de grandfather na ya farmer we go to the farm together
me kai say ayi kwan no so abrem kwan no so obo no owo plantation goyi pa ho na ye call on one day na me papa kan na ye call
ya bambesi
na workers no you see a down in the middle of the farm if ye etim e no mo tim ho na ye kwa ye aduane on ye kwa na popi ato sardine ne ne so those ones no na ye akọ eti omo ye no mo atwi kontomre ho wa ofom ho na ye hwie sardine mu na ye gugu so na koko asibare ni binu pa no masa ja mi dipa na ma feelings
a once a year kwaku ya
decide ya de ko fo ni akotu aguso
ko pe nwa bi abanza wa be ya aduane no
enwa no be de dia ko
e so ya wa da akope enama won de anoma bi na obetu a ukotu abazi
ya wase ya kwa ade otu all the time agba no mada muso anam ya mo ya mo tse mo ya isu ade wo kra wo ye bi dan so be jira say
ya kwa fo na ya de ko ye enwo ane enchene pe
asa ye nto sadi nko
ane ma na mbedi nyina no you have to find it in the farm
nto sadi wo ade akwafo
mi etu ko na sa am farm wo a ano you hungry for the day eti no enwo no de ya chechere
why papa say e na na so bo o say me take your bath for fufu at midnight
we dey fufu what in midnight
o say dey so no na furu e di nanim do
I try
na me head e do dey ato wo cheche dia na no kwa
ba I say dey o call land na so at
one ga jo say so at still kese no wa ya shemba na furu ni stay
to I kese ko ba furu no
say so bo furu say kapuchu
na ne ma e wo ma wi ni sama no ura fi no ya tabi advert no wa bo tabe ya say na furu na ntwe na me chia wa no wife na na obi a o UK kwaku krom ni ya wona say the problem e kakra wona say enkwala no bebre say omo problems accessing their schools
me so matete bia na dia yes mu akod no bebo gumo say invalid so na dey wo
so but I think say computer there machine bia no e won na yi e be here imbusu wa machine bia won na yi nti banifo hwe no mo rectify in tentem and I say betima ba say traffic na was everybody want to check and see say school
e ba say
ya na net no so you busy it's almost relaxes the school no start here there
MTN for year omo dey buy say enye no krese dey unze sa video bi obi say na me elia me nya
audio
unim say na me ankasa mpese me bo achi na me ye bi ya bi mi ya dey ron say say man for wa do so a che say when prepare na dia
but almost obi a for da command
ente sa eno krese bi anim sa na
but so we obi a wonnem dia asem we untimi nkoji ni
wo kwa akodi we adi sa
kwaku de me ka jase say bia misika se kwaku botomi ya se same yare wo ba bia oya adwuma ntino me misika no e ba yira anye possible enti anu kwa de sa adwuma we o metu yes kan dia ne ba sa adwuma we di ama enti kwaku ano no anko
ya se akonhia bi asiwo motorway no so
ye tama motorway ya
say car falling into lagoon
car
falling
na tama motorway lagoon
no dey e
say lagoon motorway challenge some serious accident on the motorway okay one chance tema motorway
na Ghana motorway na
follow lagoon
na horo lagoon no fa
traffic achi wo pa
say traffic achi there then will be the e wan say accident dia o ya hwenye no waka
yes is kura
oh Charlie
say am ho na isuru pa
but chire na yan say which side of the motorway na me pon ma hu baby am fa na because wouldn't say accident mi si wo motorway no so around this time e also obepon na ebie wo obedu na tem etu de onipa ko me pa cho mo am na motorway no so if e ho na accident na si a Montreal and Krana
from Tema to Accra
lagoon from Tema to Accra and yes me ko dey me ba oni ade ba ko na ya bufu ni say ade we maka unim say accident betimi asi e wo Tema to Accra side of the motorway. Now Accra to Tema side no she see oh. But omo kono do baby accident next on the other side. No more slow down. I know so the traffic sa be see the question I can say. Meanwhile, and yes we do akosi akobo mu so o gina Debbie. Omo yes I me do an man catch say massa. If you want to stop, park your car and go there. What is this? No, I slow down. No, I gina cry and shed every answer. Oh, said that for Munyabotre. Na police wants to team corner car kuno baby kwa and wait me here if you na traffic be flow and new flow na na motor we no so na buy hard pa and na atiefo kra afi we dey we bobi kum why na kwa me obo ade kwa me home
Jerry say o ka say
kwa me obo ade no so be hu
abere wi ase when Sike koye interview bia former Kotoko coach no and watch say national teams are
ni din ankasa fa kan ho ka sika on kan Sike
just komla akuno
now Sike ka kan di Sike
na obekara
you be any say Kotoko former
da media nim
platform Kotoko e de man no in fact Ghana how we coach na o baso na opese obekochi team bia ebe boawa e say focus say obenya Kotoko coach
Sike na same we wa kan and your voice here Sike the cast say na o kan say na o kan wana and say na o kasa ma Sike
na be asebua story na e fa Kotoko ho enra ma me mo na asa abaso pa na baby a obi amitia o enra wa me man kan nya kura
me say
na sa bofo
sa na Sike kan ya na wo kan sa ma Sike
Sike na nkoma wa kire me ne say
una ko interview
me na mko
na voice no way
Elfena me over
na se buda so kasa ma Sike Sike na tell say coach me coach Ghana focus
ya me de wada ho poni na me story na ngaza de obeka say
ko
e ma se no Kotoko platform no na me aduma Guinea national team no coach say hwehwe mu china na me aduma e so mo nko interview Sike na ndino edimintintima ba
kwa kuma we watu futra ma ne ntu futro no
na sa de enra ye bo akire yi coaches ni bi wo hwom pedigree omo na Sike nrumu na fe de na obeka say ono na shortlisted no
national team no obia ya Ghana na ya nche da ni sa policy no national team ya won policy
and your mom policy ni say omo
be NC competition
they want someone who is hungry for success. Program guy ojaze. Hungry for success.
Hwemu na obra na oya hungry for success.
One more listening na aba no. Sike de no ekita the modern brain of coaching.
Yeah, obesa akwaya nya na ayasam kase. I feel ko interview kura dey okay we win here.
Kini national team asem na yeka wo.
No.
Anya team I want gra ha wo.
Na do coach say wo.
O dey cast man.
Coach say English Premier League nyina wo. Wo dey obi oje NC competition. That's what other talk.
Na ya hu bi da. Ye to na ya sesa team na dey ma from Grand say o imagine won coach because we coach Chelsea.
And guy for more that tell am.
We don't do that.
Kagana team never more that.
Na ya nam so
abai. Oni man yin.
Ya bi no come now.
Every day when you be anjo. O that tell am to why there.
Remember Kroma I say oye physical trainer any amfati mama we call the next man or the obi country what they call Afcon what they are impressa o just say you know I mean we shouldn't
yeah the blaster ma Pep Guardiola e ba World Cup wana
like
yeah the blaster ma Pep Guardiola e ba World Cup wana
it depends.
And think to be any coaching kwa.
Wow.
To be any coaching kwa.
And enjo munya mo financial team coach kura. And munya. Stone am just say ade na e ba na asam na e ba Sike no obenya adwuma na e o ya.
Uni we futu onya fama Kotoko mo pama ko ya. Ya so ti kam nyobu na ni anisuo. Uni was advice when you fama Kotoko. Sike was so. Well, open was susa. Kwaku ono na ka say ba na korompe. Kanya bufu anko be say adwuma no. Kwa kwese hu Sike wodi amememfe wa yaudie wo haw ani intutratie na firi Kotoko. Eto se sanka oya nije mu anka ka so koye wan director no ko be ye. But kwaku eto se oyaw ani wo shoot na kuma munti na wo so bi nye biem.
Okay.
Abedina kala sala dey
we story ba ko nka wan se kwa me abem.
Me ma mu fa time
2019.
And for time ben kasa.
Omo cup ba so.
I can't hear what you're saying. Story now, we are to boss last time. I can't. We have a cast of also sport to be alcohol.
My uncle to go there, has the
Okay, Diagro.
2019 Homo Cup. And I think House of Folk in talks with Olympics for a new date. There's a date the Asaba go cry that.
Omni cry great Olympics.
Yeah, and then I cry idea.
When I cry
on the Homo Cup.
Homo Cup.
And yet Homo
The okay yourself. The biggest festival one can I don't know. You can want some just 3 and 2 was it. Hair story ni.
Hey,
What is funny about Homo yesterday?
There be cup of nice issue that I make as well.
Any other Kobo Memorial Cup. Kobo credit 2 weeks. Kobo Memorial Cup. You came on Memorial Cup. Any 2 weeks gra. Here about Homo Cup. You don't want to do the news with all the spirit involved.
In the jazz.
I story is spirit room.
Lanka Homo Kokunya some ketwa. Eh, but when you cry some ketwa.
There's a house of force Omunya date now. Omupeno 15 September our Grass Sports Stadium. And no na bet me aboa umpa because almost we say some they are train. Say baby Bibiana Ghana League asase. So go to the onu CC no penai so they call Champions League.
League no mo biana. League no mo biana.
Is it minya stories in ya?
Dabi kwa some kan. I want you to call him to order.
I call one to order. Only boy yarn story. Me call him to order. Ti do bisa ti question bisa.
Minya story ni ya.
Dabi nya ye.
Na fe na man
influence. Kwa some kan ye be repeat no. O say ye bobo e wa ko Ghana Premier League. Na kotokode obobo no ko bo Africa.
Oh, Champions League.
Me pa kotoko o mo Ghana League ni bia na.
Oh, Champions League.
There be eno ni immediate the scene ni se see ya o kwa.
Kwa last stop.
Kwa
anya so ha say na ye de san ho be sa fa san ho hwe. Kwa last stop.
Sana ba ku ye ya.
Money zone oba ye.
Money zone wo mo try.
And I cause he say.
Wo mo try e kro mo ko mo anim.
Kwaku it's like sleeping with a woman. Orgasm is the ultimate. You be kan nyina ye waste.
It is not always the case.
Oh, orgasm no no
always the case.
Organism no here.
I'm for so much in our blame. We're still on still on House of Folk.
And the House of here.
House of Folk line up a double header friendly on Saturday. A double header. Is it has headlines there come on.
Yeah, no no. I don't know when.
The Premier League side Accra House of Folk have scheduled to play warm-up friendlies at Pobimai on Saturday. Meanwhile, the Rainbow Giants have scheduled to play lower tier side Future Soccer Academy and Unique Star FC. In the
why not? Wait, in front of a training match. I think I don't know. So young Bokotoko. Upon 3 matches at House of Folk. How are you? That boy, you are assassin, young Tom. And I put mine. Here the BC, here the BC Park.
Yeah, Abraham.
Ya gusua ya ho adwuma. Na nsan ya network fo ko ya yi kakra ma o me ya nya so. Ya dia asase ya ntama to bi man. Ene ye ko bobo so.
Ese me nya story a Jeremy nya bi o. Okay. Enti has then Maria kom kakra.
Kwaku bi ni ba bia me ko me dia me do ko Kenya straight. Na aye jantra fo Kenya say aban no emom lubricant any condoms any security. Omo ya demonstrations to see ayaka ne ma miensa we no muhia. Esan say ye woni ma lubricant. Ai condoms and face security abra mo ye adwuma. Esan say
there be na wo ye wa adwuma na. Wa akade e kan wa there be fine security I will understand.
Bank of Ghana security.
Oh, tie security I will understand. But the lubricants they are looking for
free set on textbooks.
Oh, and the condoms.
And mom need adwuma.
Who need to use a shop? How? I don't get it. Who need to? Who's will be a workshop? Then I'm going for the bed. What are you talking about? ne no so government me provide it me two okay me workshop makonya asase hwehwepon bi obabi my workshop Jerry Justice oto hwan obeba no spanner ba kokra ebi ni o na me si den na me ba be ye djuma
spanner de omo spanner ne kita spanner de ne o mani na ne be mo djuma koso na mo de koto ba
ani o mo no ro
no omuli da no nsem bi tuja de chese omo boa tourism pa wasi ni ba Kenya be brain do na omo kro jantra fo no kro titiru enti na kofo e ba Kenya pa enti no sabane dwe kofo ho
aka se so ma da dis omo ho na ye kono yakwa
kwaku e onipa bi wo tu kwan asa ne ma na wo na tiko he wo se be maka se kro we mu ye de o enya hwe ntia
mikro makro bebre so a emu ode enso so me koe no me no ba bia nkodi enso emu ode
kwawu e ode o na enya ewura de na so na ma ne de ani bi ma ho ye ne de
ye onema bebre tima krom ye ode a oba asem bia ni
red light agidi okọ ho no crucifix na bo
dabi na obia na say me okay me ma ko da me ko ron oba bi
kwaku na be dem
me am de me ho man ko ron oba bia
akwa se atututu ankata ma ho wetu afiri ho
masaba me ebi ho no ma mo ka ze abi jones o mu ntina nkrofo ko na
o de tese mo boa system
o mo me anwi
o mo boa inte betimi a o mo moa na ye omunya sane man fanya adwuma kwaku alata fo bi so okromo ya so mo house boy say ode yen o ma kira se de ma bro no wa je kakakra na omuku no
say alright
o mo say he's interfering in private matters and yes next door neighbors na te say o se mo ameti mi o so mo de mbese septic tank ni mu o mbekumi anadwi no mo force akwande o ye Ghana ni
okay
what I say now also no o kan brofo akofo de betinti no o ka twi say
man say Kenya for MI okay no o say when wo pay as you go bi ho na say guess when you fine pa na pay as you go na no yen say no
na si ujito butaro de asebe ne ba
me pese me bo di opani sa to grabra bi mu afi London ho na
afi won say de ga ne kan no kre wom
tie
obi free London ton wan ko to sculpture
patcho explain further oh mama njinjire mu na hu yam patcho explain further why pay as you go with jantra no eno na che say o ba che say no ejejum ga no patcho say for man
me kan ba ka se kwa no gba de pe ka say na obi dia dance aba no o free London brochi ma mu asasa euros pounds buni bottom straight to Kenya akoya no wan ko ba bia enti kwaku de oba ne kan yeturo so mo bo economy no kroba kwa se yetetere om ise na me se yenya o kire kire se adwuma we hu hwie enya yi kwaku we ready go say okay we ready awie kroba ko police station ye ko koto mo gya om ti no o madi na no transfer no aba sek no wa ye
the kokoto na ye gya om
ai no we be ti de ko obi ko se mo so ko bo janta
ana so mo prosecute om e bia so mo fine om
so is kapu anu o fine no pe kakra ma no ko de
every man did about
me wo how was adwuma no ba me hu bi o bible na me hu say eyan ko hu ni e ko no Jesus said to you attack ya and ma fa ne ko fu anu na me kwa no kwa kwa bi
na sa oba na na omkusi na bo say Jesus re kasa ma o gitumi
Jesus Christ je no so munya no
da bi tie o se bi no o se bu no
na de mo ko chire
sacrifice o advise no not to do it again what I say
do fa na yare so e do ya mo ne da wonya yesi wo ba blu manu na esi wa do ya do konko te
ya fiase de ya de abekoda
o de munya no go
a proper chiva ka krero
Thomas Partey was say my Galatian wife eya de bia na nia so pa
and then
na ono so peso ye bi nti se ono so akoto timo broni gro
wato timo Spain
amato Ghana ha
are by force
se ebi mo
on me say they made in Ghana who say Ralph Lauren top na obo watch and watch lofa by force on beto no ha
as American on the hasiana enti say no there are person watch ne say team na wato no Ghana for nko no be stand do na ye Ghana for no de aboa because we here and they are we
are your fourth owner team ni battery wo dada enti no onyo no kwa take decision say o be stand Ghana for
na ne
odi nchemu na ba o se pay as you go no another a year on the amount say the instance bi abeka say woko ashawu na it is a pay as you go na ni senti ni say so no woko a wo hwemu a di wo run na che say
we are now ko
udwagum wia na watua na fi na
akwa hono kwa nya schematization no anka hono ya better o ade che say eno no bosu nya chi no hono uni kwa me ama bia ana okoye ni ti a on frew ne ma me yare a on frew but stigmatization no be ma ofisa dan ni mu bapa
phone airtime when be
airtime man no ni phone say anya na abaye ana anya like because we share crab be say hu
prepaid nasa
okoha dan ya one frew ya no mi just the bia no auto bill ma be say one ne was abesa no atwero woni mi nyansa musa no hwe
say why
musa say why wu
nim na kwa why
why I feel go say I'm still typing and say kwaku nyansa mketwa e no so kwaku na say beti hai say me be man kwa da ho beti hu so ba de ni
obema da wa if onipa no ye obi onim wo pa de a
obetuma hu say say be man di gari gas
let's say your wife oh masa what are you talking about
me tin na so hwe na so
me say
obetimi hu me ma 12 obehu tie me kwaku ase ba bi na omu be man kwa wo ho obetuma point say we
obetimi ayi ni kunu de obi onim wo
etwem bi ani ho
unim de ode ahye no so cause ono onim de ode ahye no so e bi kura wa wo de ho na ade no wo kura no wo fa sa de insurance ho but ono is as o hwe de ode ahye no so
obehu yo kwaku ne say me use light off no I'll do it under darkness asem bi e kontiwe ya brand here free akwa fantastic man na video bi e ko rounds a oba bi ma zai brobo mo so wan friend say
low job
na ana mo de story na account ade a free picture account say e free akwa na kwaku eno dabio media na nimu nka won nko ade e betimi a kanu ba ko yes story no on drop sa story no
Kwame ade ne say
no could be stop betimi be PM snap so depending on pictures am wo no
okay
dabio na o snap e ne dia
oh me won video na metima load o snap
na so u load o snap e ko e wo account enye ko be store account mu
e betimi
mistake say
oh kwaku na no o phone so bottom na ye call
me phone she bottom e ye call
no so what I talk
about na me sim card na shem na ye call enye wo sim card na shem na ye call
once anim ne nka won dia
what are you talking once we menyu ho achi o ba bia
menya chire kwaku me say ade na ba ye no ye hu ani be manyi a and it's here ko afia akwa so ko e dark mind
oh na say enipa tuntum bebre ho no
I know what causes that what is causing that how can a black man for brony it is only the head it doesn't go down the fairness is only the head
ateno I say you bro ebi mo ye tudum pa but inside no na
oh the boy the fashion oh the boy the can Harry oh the engineer the man say emai ubetimi akofo ba tu ase bidie
but o ba ro wait
abrofun quality wo
it's atene there
I still stand my point say if we acquire one guy he's trying to do all he can to put his name up there na sa stories we mun bi wono amwa hwe ya kwa afko ne ba ne player bi ye bi kwa kusa ndem de ba hu ne on the no ada ho na nim nyina ba
so the nim de ba
I will not sympathize with him
we no nya na adwen so person
I will not sympathize with him but this is the me hu ye me hu say microphone yi again
me ba shata ne pop screen de ye ba yi eno so e
o ne satan kotodwe un se satan kotodwe opedog kotodwe nya
onu kwana kotodwe tisa onu kwana kotodwe tisa enso ba ye de some say
but we dey afri ye ma ye say e wono a for the meantime no Ghana phone nya say kwa ko say bloggers no I say obia epic clicks it we am beno o makukuru story rom that so
o
ko post to us side
afri ko about 18
about 18 there are so many things ehun nya woni oba akoda ya wo videos an kran na ye de
kwa I'm per reference
and no mo ati pond break no mo nya fie any asem kran ni
akoda ho no
eti kwaku afri ya kwa mo nyini din fisa story so whoever did that story should pull it down. As I say, and
according to our side,
we should start suing people for such behaviors. Okay. It still doesn't make him a free aqua. If I put some, look, let me make this statement. If I put
what the example?
No, let me show you an example. No.
What do you mean phone question? But to my call.
Let me say one thing. I can copy a video from what do you call it? Papa Bill's status or something, and post it on my page. If it is a man who is naked, it doesn't make that man me.
Me bow. It is Papa Bill's picture or his video. And I will or bad the wafa. And I will no. Posting or snap. Me boy. So a account and now they are posting. Me bow. Enti I want some bar. Do video no might be Papa Bills, but it's not say Papa Bills enim nemum eye kwa kuipe na ba mu no. Wow, where account now here? You make say you na wo post you
don't write stories, you can say it, but you don't write a story and attach the picture of a suit to wait say no.
No compose you here then. On to go.
The post me my satono me post no sama pa. No I media.
Oh, master Jai. Now what to? Because you do
nigga back now atana mu di agona me just free agona
there waka we are pon cry we dey to was train kakran sa me ba Mubarak Yakubu
hello papa
wujina he
boss mi ni nam sa wo be ne de brajery ko pie mu
moto e yawo
ya tisi moto e no akwahia bi asiwa ma de traffic abapa o sana matete entu de ba bia gina wuwi a default kakra na ehwe na echi wa yi masutiri wa
correct ha unya pa ba dira je se o je mi moto ya me ko fam ai moto iso die Rajali
eyo ko enim
papa bo se bo so to buta ba bi tiri be enim ba
ebeyi
mate Rajali je se sebe ju ajete muda aje se ku piemu ewo aye atimota de kokofo mu kokofo akobari ade ne petem Rajali every aye atimota overhead na sia de ku piemu ewo new plan station atimota overhead na ze de ku piemu ewo new plan station ofa na Rajali traffic na time sa every aye atimota overhead no so de ku piemu ewo new plan station every aye new plan station sa de ku piemu ewo ma 7 runabout no traffic na time free aye new plan station sa ku piemu ewo ma 7 amo fa aye amo ko aye ma 7 Rajali instead of ba ko fa aye wo ko tabura laji instead of ba ko fa ma 7 no ne sa wo ye ne so fa udi road so na ko fa aye N1 so piemu la pass udu la pass no afa aye bigot udu bigot are just work from ko fa aye tabura number 2 tabura no ana wo ko piemu ewo laji o ye shota it has the traffic na wo aye new plan ko piemu ma 7 ana wo din ye papa almost mo free aye ma 7 market side o e dey ba aye ma main road no so o ye go slow pa ye pa that when you dim den na say why do you say we dim be and also aye go slow papa almost so Rajali amo ko tabura amo ko aye fanko bara na fuku ase ene ne betem so ko fuku ase a so unya fa ma 7 ase o dia na ne ne so ye na so fa aye top highway no so fa highway no and ababu apa na mu na unim na ko fa ase dia na ne ho ba chiw ye new plan ko go sima so hot traffic Rajali ano e di ye pa anything me twam na ma ha ko fie mo moto we no so na ma hwe ko so Rajali nti ha any the traffic situation ni be na Rajali me da wase
bebre yes we da se pa na ye to aso akoye ni mu no na ye beti anyamotre ye to aso akoye ni mu no na ye dey asida kese ma ye proud sponsors no na eno no ebi ebeko e dey ama Lanti soy milk ya chese we no soy milk papa ya you produce no Ghana ha ya medical catch order that say ye the groundnut and afi cassava awo no nti we no taste ni da sonko emu ye pa wonya bi na boss I say the wedi pepepe no na we are wakesu kio na je say wona wosen no na medical catch say produce no Ghana ya abofra onya ndi 6 months and nses onu bi omo a edi bro sa ne de kosi mpanifo so obia timi bobi na emu ye pa available in all sizes all leading supermarkets or maimu bebia wo hwehwe ye nchira kwan a ye wo asutware off the Akosombo Tema Highway no esuna ho na be hu yen Lanti soy milk e kan wasem. It is produced by Lantian Company Limited papa we mamu ya Lanti soy milk, a whole meal on its own bebia chira kwan na emu ye pa afi as they do yen fama super sem cement and ho den high quality, super strong European standard cement developed specially for Ghana. Cement you can trust, designed to ensure that your building and your concrete works stand strong for centuries. Yes. Into your dream project, no. If it means so much to you, if it is important part to you, there, make sure so be used to Super Sem Cement. Now DSC, come up. You're producing right here in Ghana by CBI Ghana. PMU away free zone enclave tema. It's block factories, ni masons, ni contractors, ni adi nyina no. Endorse Super Sem Cement. Say no, and the best yet very very affordable. Ya no market. Super Sem Cement. Or say build your dream. They're available, baby. Yes, out there to form more phrase 0544. There be at Yafaso. More phrase 055 3060 517. That's 055 3060 517. Now, Monsabeka Super Sem Cement. Roma insecticide spray. Mosquitoes flying and crawling insects now. One time, no come no free. The mosquito coil so count also this you as a doom a patch or so. It's a say improvise into 100 because and so a you must have it here. And Fakata ne cold ne chest infections be army also. Other ones they be pumizi kumwa musmunye kusie. What I say, it use Roma insecticide spray. Na if a bomb bang, if you tuntum into Maudoni now, not why free. Shops next stores in supermarkets, how do you name on Sabeka Roma insecticide spray? We another quality product if Samara Company Limited. Roma insecticide spray in a coil. And Tonton Master. Pa. Yan Twaso. Yan Koyenim. Nian Fast da Pa. PSC. Emma Airtel Tigo Fuse Bundle. Yes. Airtel Tigo Fuse Bundle. Fuse Bundle. Pa. Bundler. Any expiry biya. There be, it does not expire. Uber friend networks are all what browser with no expiry wahala. One I do sikato. Mr. Metrumbo says you got was the time naso. What do you mean? What do you mean? And I may expire. What do you want to say? And Nutinia say time no be problem on Airtel to go fuse bundle. So simply dial *567#. Ne bundle says ya na bon sampa Airtel to go. Life is simple. No. Yako anymore. No a tile fix cement. Tile fix cement. Ya wunya bia. Ebema o tiles na wo toni na no akoyie kama de amount. Say your wall tiles and I say floor tiles. We know a high quality, tile adhesive. Now a suitable for ceramic and then marble tiles are holding na. A mat tile bia na down. Or come mix a chemical beer with an young fan koto tiles. There be you should tile fix cement and no any papano. Na nay upie mami sekunde tema. Do bia unye bia sabeka shama timber market e go chapo malam Blue Cross bebre. Mia tonton tiles ne cement there. Oko na so pe tile fix cement a. Do bia unye bia no. On sabeka within Accra and tema. Oba yen factory site one so now beton bebre. At the project site, Yeriko Jow, our bra wuntia car hoka. What you say? Boko near the Kwakuja. So, for a long lasting tiling solution, Tilefix is the answer. Tilefix was a quality for less. Patrol Fraying 0244 421 635. A face 0548 807 720 and a 0548 807 723. Na one Edding Kitan, na Bibian so akoye Eddie amount. Okay, real quick. My back now, so my back on phone to Apple.
Ogwagun is a media made Chad and I made chia a year Makola African store for Wakalin, Texas. What you said, my phone, the Kakani sister Ruby Ajimai. So, Jenny, I first money. I chatted me say I was so a fan of Ayarigated Sports. Now, on any agro or tema community 11.
Okay.
nti ono so mentia ne bi osan say o say ne
di say ba ko penso wa ka
o say friend awura
why for us too
KZ sport ya ne dia
yo okuma nkra sorry so ne enko
jay mama wo she Jordan ayu
mesre na wo kasa
oh Andre
when Jordan
when your boss nia
oh
Jordan Jordan did the birthday
okay
and no one madam for Benjamin Osebunsu on so birthday ochina and happy birthday in advance
and Eric say do so there that
Eric there ochina
on so ochina say
Eric ko onye party
and keju apa
birthday onye party
on no wetin do watch Friday we do Sunday do be any adwuma
maza muntimi kase
na we di watch onye party ko
yes Eric party last year mo awanya party
me ame party
one party ko your birthday
me ame party your birthday me ame party America Eric me worry o try me party
o try so me ba pa me ba pani e friend with me mami ofori biama ono ne birthday yo china na me lunch ne na o china me sada di birthday na nkazankaza ti we dey lunch nko a
ti uko UK a siesta ho
e dey watch
Juliet
some boys we pa mo so fi anko
me last caller o ahoma ne so
you feel me too much me kasa fi jankata me ntia tie say me dem ya me sika beto bundle na me dia free me busuafo e wo network bia so na network no sole ya wa beji bundle no free me nsem emre a ono pe